Oh, sorry, I didn't see you guys there. That was so quick, there's not even anything in there. But, hello everyone. I am back. She's back and better than ever. I know it's been a minute since I posted on this channel. Well, I posted last week actually a golf ball vlog, but before that it'd been a minute. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday summer makeup routine. It takes me like 10 minutes to do, super quick and easy. And I'm also going to be showing you a little tutorial on how I get my fake freckles. Some of them are real, some of them are fake, but hopefully the goal is you can't tell which is which. So that is what this video is going to be about, if you couldn't already tell by the title. And yeah, before you leave, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and it helps you. And also make sure to subscribe. Now click that subscribe button, click that little bell icon so you get notifications. Yeah, so you can never miss a video. Yeah, let's just get right into the tutorial. I'll stop talking now. I just washed my face with my Glamglow Super Mud Cleanser, and I primed my skin with a little bit of my Bahi Cosmetics Sunflower Sweet Serum, which smells amazing. First, I start out by concealing my under eyes. I don't put any foundation on. Actually, I just lied to you. Moisturizer. Lately I've been using this Glamglow Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in Nude Glow. I don't think it has SPF in it, which isn't good, but yeah, that's what I've been using. But I recommend using something with SPF in it. Unless you're taking flash photos, then I don't recommend that. But you always want to make sure your skin is protected from the sun. Gotta keep it safe, you know. But this moisturizer has like a glow to it and also smells like Lucky Charms. Like literally, I think it smells like Lucky Charms. And I let it, you know, sink into the face a little bit. It's already glowing. Might just be the ring light, but I'm gonna say it's the Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. Yeah. Then I put concealer under my eyes, and I have been using the NARS Radiant Creamy in the shade Vanilla because it's so much lighter to highlight my under eyes. I don't particularly like using a shade that light when I'm not wearing other face makeup because I think it kind of just, I don't know, it almost just looks like too white and like strange. So it's doable. But I just went out and picked up this Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer in the shade C7, which is a little bit closer to my skin tone. So I'm just going to be using that to conceal my dark circles rather than using one that's too brightening. So I also put this on my eyelids because they're a little dark too. And then I don't always do this, but just highlighting, concealing like my forehead and my chin and whatnot. And if you're gonna use a concealer that's more brightening under your eyes, I would use one that's more closely matches your skin tone for like spot concealing. Looking in the mirror up here if I look a little crazy. I'm just gonna blend that out with my Y6 from Morphe. Okay, I like this concealer. I think you could definitely get more coverage with this, but because I'm going for something very natural, I just put like a thin layer on. And sometimes when I think my cheeks are too red, I also put like dots of it on and like blend it around. Which right now in person, I don't think they are, so I don't know why they look so much more red on the camera. Then I take my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Take a brush, I just use like this angled brush. Dip it in, tap it off, and I just put a little bit of that around my eyes, just to set that in place. A little bit where I have concealer on other spots. I'm just barely like tapping in. That's a lot even, yeah. See, just a wee bit. Then I do my brows. And lately I have been using this NYX eyebrow marker in the shade Medium. This I love this because it's quick and easy, which is usually what I'm going for in the summer. It's just something that I can do fast. But this is not waterproof by any means. I wore this to Gov Ball on the first day, and this girl next to me threw her beer in the air. Why, you ask? I don't know. But it hit my eyebrow, and like part of the tail of my eyebrow literally wiped off, and I was like, not wearing this tomorrow. So if I need something a little bit more waterproof, I use my Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil or my Morphe eyebrow pencil or a pencil of some sort. I just bought this Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel that I've heard is very waterproof, like very waterproof, but I haven't tried it out yet. I'm going to bring it on my cruise with me that we're leaving for tomorrow and try it out, and if it works well, I'll let you guys know. But for right now, I'm going to be doing my usual, which I'm looking for a little mirror. Don't my shelves like kind of look crooked in the camera, like they're on my wall slanted or something? Got a mirror, thanks Elf. So I'm just going to fill my brows in. I have not got my brows done in like months, literally, because there's not much to them, but they're very out there right now. They definitely need to be cleaned up. But I'm kind of afraid of it because I feel like the middle of them is the most sparse part, so I'm like afraid to get them done. So I kind of just do my brows, like not too clean or anything, just filling them in. Do some lines in the front. Still bring it to a point, of course, even if they're messy. Alright, we're getting there, we're getting there. Do I really have a pimple on this eyebrow? I'm so mad. Does anyone else get breakouts like in your eyebrow? I'm like, why? Not cute, not cute. Alright, so then after doing the brow marker, I take my Benefit Gimme Brow. This is in the shade 3, and I wipe it off a little bit because a lot comes out and I don't have much brow for that. But if you have more full brows, you probably just use it. And then I just go over my brows with this brow gel stuff. I'm gonna do the other one off camera and I will be right back. Alright, so that is what the finished brows look like. I'm gonna add some of this liquid highlighter. I'm using my Cover FX Glow Drops in the shade Moonlight. I just like using liquid highlighter for a more natural look because it doesn't look powdery or cakey. It kind of just blends right into the skin. Yeah, and I'm just going to, I don't even like squeeze it, I just kind of touch this stick that's in it and use it with my finger because it warms it up. So I just like to add this to, you know, where you normally put highlighter, my cheekbones. I don't know, I love to glow, so sometimes I layer it on my tip of my nose. This is my favorite place to highlight, no matter what anyone says. I'm gonna take a little bit more. Ooh, that was a lot, but that's okay. Y'all know I don't even mind a little excessive highlighter, but I really gotta blend it in because I'm not trying to look stripey. And then a little bit over the Cupid's bow. Again, just kind of like messily blending with my finger. And then a very little bit on my chin and on my forehead, not a lot at all because I'm not trying to look greasy now. Yeah, maybe a little bit greasy, but you know. And then I also like to take this and use it on my collarbones and my shoulders. I literally just like slap it on, guys, like literally. Ew, I just said like literally, that was gross. Oh, I got an email, my order isn't shipped. My Panic! At the Disco order's coming in. Sorry y'all, I got an email that my Panic! At the Disco pre-ordered album just got shipped, so y'all know I'm excited. I literally put this like everywhere because I like Body Lava yet. I really want it, but I haven't bought Body Lava, so I just use my Cover FX drops for right now for that extra shimmer. Next, I'm going to put on mascara. Use whichever mascara you prefer. Just going to be putting on my Smashbox X-rated mascara. If I have a little bit more time, I sometimes curl my lashes, but since this is like a quick summer makeup, I'm just gonna plop this on. Okay, so now that the mascara is done, besides the freckles that I'm about to show you, this is pretty much it for the whole look. You could add some bronzer or some blush if you want, but this is all that I really do. Now on to my favorite part, the freckles. So I actually use the NYX eyebrow marker for my freckles. Basically, I just take it with a very light hand, and I add a lot on my nose, and then kind of make them more sparse as you go out. I add some on my forehead, some down here. Sometimes I add some over here too, just so, you know, I look overall freckly. Okay, I was just watching back the footage from the video, and I realized that I didn't mention the NYX eyebrow marker. I'm using the shade medium, but it also comes in the shade deep. So if you have a deeper skin tone, you can get that marker and do the same technique that I did here. Just wanted to throw that little tidbit in there because I think it's important that everyone can follow this technique. So I loved it. Also, I forgot to mention, as I go, I'll like do some and then I'll kind of go like this with my finger just to get them to blend into my face a little bit more, so that they don't look like they're sitting on top of the skin too much. But yeah, this brow marker has been my favorite hack for freckles. Not a little big over there. Let me get close so you can see exactly what I'm doing. See, why do I look so red in this camera? It's fine. Let me stop talking. Go up the nose. Sometimes it's hard to see how many are on my nose because my highlighters have to like look downward. Oh, don't want to get that in the camera. I even will like use my whole hand and pat them, so just make sure your hand's clean. So that is pretty much the finished look. Because I'm not wearing too much face makeup, I don't really use setting spray when I do this look. But if you're someone who either absolutely needs to use setting spray, like it's not an option for you and you really need to use your setting spray, or you use this freckle technique layered on top of your more like beat full coverage makeup and you need to use setting spray, or even if you just think that the freckles look like they're sitting on top of your skin too much, if you want them to look more blended into your skin, like I highly recommend this hack, spraying your face with your setting spray, and then after you do that, just take your beauty blender that's damp or even like a powder puff and just pat them in. They melt right into your skin when you do that and melt right into whatever foundation you're wearing, because when you do spray them, they do get wet and they look very dark. Once you spray, I definitely recommend patting it down with a sponge. Last but not least, I either put like some Baby Lips chapstick on or my favorite little Sephora lip gloss, so your lips don't look like they're covered in chicken grease. Are you doing it right? So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below to check back for more videos. I will be vlogging the cruise that my family and I are about to go on, so that will be up sometime next week when we get back. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you check back for more. While you're here, watch my last video. It's right here. My hand is in a really awkward position, but it's right here.